Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to fix Google Chrome not working. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. So this is my Chrome browser. You have to right-click on your Chrome browser. Then click on Properties to open Chrome Properties. Now you have to click on this option. Open File Location, so first you have to select this Shortcut tab, and after that, click on this option Open File Location. Now you will see this application Chrome, right-click on it. Then click on Rename. So you have to rename this, so I will just put a dash. That's it, now press Enter. That's it. Now you have to right-click on it again. Then go to this option Send to, then click on this option Desktop Create a Shortcut. That's it, now cut this window as well. Now delete this Chrome browser, the previous one. Now use this Chrome browser shortcut, double-click on it. That's it, so it's an easy method to fix your Chrome browser. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.